Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself pliers organizer for your toolbox in about 5 minutes using only a scrap piece of wire shelf and a hacksaw. So stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is figure out how many pairs of pliers you have or you want to have access to organize. In this case, we're going to say, let's say 6. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spaces here. I'm going to cut this shelf off right here so that I have 6 spaces for 6 pairs of pliers. Okay, so I cut through the back bar and the middle bar. We don't need to cut through the front bars. We're not going to use this part of the shelf. We're only going to use this back part of the shelf. This is a 12-inch standard closet wire shelf, and we're just going to use this 6 inches of it. Okay, so now I got my 6 spaces. I cut off the back bar and the middle bar. The next thing I want to do is cut each of these little bars off right across here. Bend those out of the way. Makes it a little easier if you get these other pieces that you've cut already and bend them back out of the way. Okay. So we don't need this piece anymore. We're left with this spot again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go as many as you want. 10, 15, 20, however long your shelf is, however many spaces. The space between each one of these is about 3/4 of an inch. Okay. All right, now all I'm just going to do is take it, find the middle here. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm going to put it on the edge of my workbench here, hold it down, and bend it. Okay. And now I've got this little wire stand shape that I can put in my toolbox drawer and put the pliers in these little slots. Okay, so let me go show you what that looks like. Okay, so here you go. I've got 2 racks in here. As you can see, quite a bit of pairs of pliers in there, and it's literally I had this whole drawer full just across the bottom with pliers, and it's literally freed up half this drawer to store more stuff in by putting these vertical like this. And you just grab, makes it really easy to see what you're looking for, what you got. The little stands kind of hold the handles up where they're easy to grab, and it's just a super efficient and effective way to store your pliers. And I mean, this was, for me, this was a free project because I had this shelf laying around. You go to Home Depot, you can buy a 2-foot length of that shelf for probably $5 and have enough to store 20, 25 pairs of pliers. You know, similar racks like this, I've seen them on Amazon. I've seen them in Harbor Freight for 15, 20 bucks and up, and this does the job at a fraction of the cost. And like you saw in the video, super easy, super fast to make. All you need is a hacksaw. So hope this helped some of you guys. If it did, please share the video with your friends, help them out, and feel free to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if this helped you out.